Mr. Alizon. Pumukol ng dos. No basket. Ayan na, linilim na. Panginiban again. No basket. Rebound by Mr. Alizon. Mr. Alizon. Sumakay ng taxi. Pass to his teammates. Mr. Daniel. Neki to condition
Babawi.
no basket, rebound by Mr. Philip. Basket. Deadlock 40. 15-second shot clock once. Pass to Mr. Arson sa ilalim. No basket, rebound by Mr. Bagay. 10-second shot clock. No basket. 6 minutes and 45. Ayun o. Hoy, foul.
Nice foul card.
Pangalang si Bride. Magandang tanghali sa'yo. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Itado.
Mr. Magkahit. Mr. Daniel looking for Mr. Alton. Daniel again looking for 3. No basket. 6 minutes and 25. Ayun. Net key. Ay! Double. Bombong. Ay. Simulan. Bidong pala tumira. Bidong. Androso. Basket. Bonds. Basket by Netki. Ang ganda naman no. Pang poster. 5 minutes and 53. Basket. 15-second shot clock. Daniel for 3. No basket. Rebound by Mr. Mambong. Pass to Mr. Bidong. Mr. Bidong wires the basket for 2. 10-30. Mr. Alton. Nakuha ni Mr. Bakay. Mr. Bakay pass to Netki. Netki no basket. Rebound by Mr. Magay. Pass to Bidong. Bidong sa gitna. Basket in your face. Sabi niya kay Daniel. 15-second shot clock. Panginiban. No basket. Last 5 minutes. Bakay. No basket. Rebound Mr. Bond. 15-second shot clock. Nakakuha ni Netki. Netki nakakuha ni Mr. Bidong. Mr. Bidong again. In your face again. Oh, not in my house. 4 minutes and 35. Bagay to read. 30. Bagay. No basket. Bagay. Dinerecho. No basket. Bidong, pass to Mambong, pass to Mr. Panganiban for 3. Patay na naman. Panganiban to read. 3 points si Mr. Panganiban. Panganiban ay boss. Basket. Ang ganda naman ng tira na yun. Mr. Bidong. Bidong, pass to Madroso. No basket. Malakas. Rebound yun eh. Power rebound. No. Basket. Mr. Bakay. Bakay for 3. No basket. Rebound by Mr. Panganiban. 2 minutes and 35. Bidong, pumukal na dress. Inaawa. Bidong to read. 7. Bakay. Basket. 9. Mr. Bidong, pumukal ng press. No basket. Rebound by Mr. Magay. 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Mr. Bakay. Pass to Netki. 3. Patay ang butike yun. Naiwan ang buntot. 2 minutes and 55. Mr. Bidong for 3. Kasi short. Oy, nakakuha ng power rebound yun. Pass to Bond. Basket. Madroga. 15-second shot clock. 2 minutes and 33. 10-second shot clock. No basket. Mr. Daniel. Pass to Bakay. Pass to Netty. Netty, right? Basket. 2 minutes and 10. Pass back to Mr. Panganiban. Looking for 3. Sinipa. No basket. Rebound by Mr. Daniel. Power niya. Defensive rebound. 1 minute and 55. Netty for 3. Malakas. 1 minute and in your face. Hindi ka na makakaulit. 1 minute and 40.
Bawi do.
1 minute and 35. Oy, but there's a foul committed by and second team foul. Time remaining 1 minute and 31 in our second quarter and our score is okay, pasok na kayo, pasok na. Last round, Jonas ready? Bidong? Wala. 1 minute and 25. No basket, rebound by Mr. Bidong. Mr. Bidong. Pass to Mr. Panganiban. 12-second shot clock. Sinipat for 3. Bang! Panganib. 1 minute, last 1 minute, 10-second shot clock. 55 seconds, 5-second shot clock. Netty, pass to Mr. Boss, back to Mr. Netty. Okay, tuloy lang, good. Tuloy lang po. 45 seconds, 35 seconds, 10-second shot clock. 5-second shot clock. Aray ko, tingnan lang, mamaya, tingnan lang. Diretso lang, sir. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds.
Tayo pa.